everybody, my name is Ashley Nicole for those who do not know me, and if you don't, you need to subscribe right now. Today, doing something a little different, as you can tell by the title. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for influencers. They sent me some stuff. They sent me a little bit of stuff, you know. I'm just going to be unboxing it and basically telling you guys what it is. I don't know, this is my first unboxing. So we're gonna get right into it. I did open the box just so I could see who it was from. So let's get right into this video. So it came like this white packaging. I'm not gonna show you the other side because my address is still on it. You gotta need to know that. If you want to know kind of lashes I'm wearing, I forgot the name right off the back, but they're by Pink Vanity on Instagram. I will link their Instagram link in the description box right along with what kind of lashes these are. I used to know off the top of my head, but I bought these a few months back and I don't know the name of them anymore. Also, if you want to know how I did these eyebrows, the link will also be down below in the description box. I think y'all will like the video. And also, if you guys want to know what this lip combo is, it is NYX Hot Cocoa Lip Liner. And it is Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy Indie Color Milkshake. I got this sample from Sephora when I bought some skincare items from them. So let's get into this video. So influencers sent me this Lancome Paris box. I will also link the influencers link down below if you guys would like to get free stuff. They do it not super often, but it's like you have to do a survey. Basically, the influence is you do a review, unboxing and review or whatever and all that stuff. If you want to show the picture on Instagram of you getting the items and all that stuff, but you can review them and tell like how you feel about the items that you got and all that stuff. Sometimes they send you like small samples of stuff. Sometimes, majority of the time, I've gotten full size items from them, such as like leave-in conditioner, makeup, the little couple months ago I got the Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I forgot the name of it, but we're about to see what's in here. So if you guys want to sign up for the influencers to get free items that you want to review and show to your channel or your Instagram or any of your social media, I will link it down below. Basically, they're going to send you an email of I think it's a Voxy box or something like that, and you do a survey like of your skin tone and what foundation color or concealer color you are, or are you interested in like what kind of products have you bought, like makeup wise or hair wise and all that stuff, and then they'll go based off the survey and they'll send you something that is specifically for you. So I think it's pretty cool. So when you open the box, it basically looks like this, and it says Lancome Paris, congratulations, as a VIP you are invited to try selected Lancome products. And also just tells you what I just told you. You download the influencers app, and it's a Vox box, so you can get multiple Vox boxes throughout the year. I got the Lancome Vox box, and you write a review on it on Sephora, and you can share your photos to Sephora community platform or your social media, but you have to use the hashtags that they give you, and you tag Lancome and Sephora as well. And on the back side, they basically, I'm guessing, sent me 3 items for basically skincare. So we're about to see what they sent me, but it's cute. Also, like I stated, it'll tell you what to do right there. So I'm gonna take the tissue box out. Okay, they sent me 4 items. The first one is Lancome Paris Skin Feels Good. It's basically a sunscreen with SPF 23 in it, and it's a hydrating skin tint for healthy glow. And it's like a out of a 4, it's a 2 out of 4 coverage. And I have the color 08N in Sweet Honey. And this is what it looks like. So basically the directions say for sunscreen use, you apply 15 minutes before getting exposed in the sun and reapply at least every 2 hours. Usually sunscreens that I've gotten, you have to apply every 2 hours. Especially with the skincare that I'm using now, which I'm going to do a separate video about in probably about a month from now, because I'm still using it. And I don't know if you guys can tell. No, I'm not wearing anything on my face except eyebrows, lashes, and what I have on my lips. Just because I feel like my skin is doing this thing right now. So I wanted to show you guys, see if you guys notice a difference from my previous videos until now. So comment down below if you guys kind of see a difference in my skin. Is it glowing? Do you see minimum dark spots rather than the other times on my channel that I wasn't wearing makeup? You guys let me know. So I'm going to open this. Oh yes, it's a pump only thing. Let me see. See if I can open it. Okay, I don't know if I can open it, but I really want to see if it's like a tube inside, or it's like you have to pull it down and then, you know, do it. But I'm going to show you guys consistency. Okay. It feels very thin. But it feels very thin. It feels like it's lightweight. So, looks like if you keep rubbing it in. It smells like lotion in a sense, but it is a tinted sunscreen. And it, I guess that's like the hydration and all that. So when you blend it in, it looks like that. Okay, if you guys want a review on this, let me know, and I can do a review, all day review on it if you guys want. But I really love the fact that it has a pump. But I also wouldn't mind like a little squeezy tube as well. That way I know I'm getting all of my product, because as y'all could see, I was struggling trying to get that top open. Next in the box is a Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Ultra Sunscreen in SPF 30 by Lancome Paris as well. You might catch the glare. But I heard a lot of good things about this. So yeah, it's a firming and dark spot correcting moisturizer for your face, neck, and décolleté. And it's for all skin types. Now my skin type is a oily chicken grease skin pretty much. So when I do my makeup, I have to set my face, like set it. Like I've gone so far to setting my face after I put my primer on, then going in with my concealer and stuff, because you guys know I don't wear foundation. For those who don't know, now you know. I don't really wear foundation because I feel like I don't need it, because I just don't care for it. But I will wear it sometime if necessary, but for the most part I ain't wearing it. So we're gonna open it up. So my face is very, very oily. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that, y'all. This is so pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging. Like, this is pretty. So when you open it up, it's like a little tube. And it says dermatologist tested for safety. So it basically helps prevent sunburn when you're in direct sunlight. The directions: apply generously and evenly 15 minutes before you are exposed to the sun. So that's mainly all SPFs, and you have to reapply at least every 2 hours as well. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. So I'm gonna pump it on my hand so y'all can see. That's what it looks like. Rub it in. Which I feel like some SPF feel the exact same. This smells kind of good. It's not like a strong fragrance, but it's something with like a lotion smell as well. But that's what it looks like. Of course, that lotion feel to it. So I will be trying that because this summer I'm really big on my skincare this year and taking better care of my skin, especially when I'm in the sun, because I'm usually in the sun a lot. So next we got the Lancome Prismatic Plump. It's a gloss and a plumper for your lips. And I've been wanting a gloss too, so here's the package. That glare though. But we're gonna open it up. Ooh, I love, man, I gotta wear this. But it's like a holographic look to it. Look at that. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera, but that is so pretty. And it's in the color 01. Oh, I've never seen that word before. Effervescent. I don't know. I don't like to butcher names. But, of course, the doe applicator. And here it goes. That is so pretty. That is super pretty. Yeah, it's like holographic. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up well, but that is really, really, really pretty. You got like the taste. It smells like cotton candy in a way, and it's like when you turn it one way, it's like pinkish. You turn it a different way, it's like a violet. And then when you turn it like another way, it's like a dark purple. So yeah, it's kind of like holographic in a sense, but it's really pretty. And I will be using that. But this is the name of it. If y'all can see it, but I will link it down below as well so y'all know the name. And last but not least, okay, the next one is Lancome Genifique Advanced Genifique Youth Activated Concentrate. I never really heard about this. I just know it's a serum, and I heard it's like a 7-day challenge that people were doing on YouTube about this, but I didn't really pay attention to it. Basically, in 7 days, skin's youthful radiance returns. After 8 weeks, 10 key signs of youthful looking skin dramatically improves. Use twice daily, morning and evening, before your everyday skincare routine. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Just open it there. And it comes with like, I guess, the directions, and inside it shows you, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it'll basically show you how you do it. And it's so cute, y'all. Like, Lancome packaging, y'all, yes, like, come on, look at that. And I know these products are high-end. I will also link how much they are down below, but I'm not gonna lie, I do splurge sometime on skincare, especially if it works. I always test it out first at Sephora before I buy it to know that it's going to work for my skin, doesn't break me out or anything like that, and I can see a difference within like a week. High-end skincare that costs a lot, I'm telling you right now, y'all think that just because it's a little bottle and it's high that, oh, this ain't enough product. It really is, because a little, for a lot of high-end products, a little does go a very long way. So keep that in mind. The skincare that I'm using now, I've had it for almost a full month. It'll be a month on the 5th, and I'm not even halfway touching the middle. I'm still wet at the top, so keep that in mind. But I will explain the pricing and all that stuff when that video comes. But it's for all skin types. Use in the AM and PM under your regular skincare routine. Dermatologist tested for safety as well. And you get 1 fluid ounces, which is 30 milliliters. So when you open it, it's like a tube. I can't. I don't know what the smell is, but it felt, I feel like I smelled it before, but it's like a push at the top, I guess, so you can get it out, and it's like a watery substance. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, y'all can see. It's not super slimy in a sense, but it's that regular skincare, so it's easy to smooth out too. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't have much of a fragrance, but it has like a small lotion type smell in it too. So that is my unboxing from influencers. It's all Lancome products, which I'll be using in the future. So if you guys want a video, of me using all 4 of these items, then let me know in the description box which one you prefer to see first. Or if you want to see all of them in a video, you know, let me know. So with that being said, make sure you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe, because I really think y'all want to subscribe to this channel, because you're going to see a lot more from me. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment any suggestions that you guys want to see on the next video, or any video that I should do. Have a conversation. Let me know if you guys use any of these products and how did it work for you, and what type of skin do you have. Mine again is, but my skin is sensitive and oily, a lot of hyperpigmentation, discoloration. I just have a lot of going on my face. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.